Do you want to know how the top 1% of e-commerce stores absolutely dominate their niche? Stick around because I'm about to show you their 5 free favorite SEO tools. First up, we got Google Trends. Google Trends is an absolute powerhouse as an SEO tool. So let's show you exactly how they use it. What you want to do is you want to enter your competitors' brand names and their product names and start comparing them over time with volume. And then what you want to do is you want to use geographical data to find out how popular it is in different regions. And this is where the beauty comes in. When you do that, then you can start tracking seasonal trends. And pro tip, guys, don't forget the related query section. It's absolutely a treasure trove of emerging trends that could give you a first mover advantage. You can also set up alerts for specific topics to stay ahead of industry shifts. And this tool alone could be your secret weapon for product strategy. Next, let's talk about Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is Neil Patel's tool, and it's actually free to use, even though they have a paid service as well. And with this, you can enter a competitor's domain to see their top organic keywords. And with this, you can also analyze their top performing pages. And this is how the top stores use it. They use that data to actually improve their store's information. And this is how the 1% use it. They use it to actually improve their store based on the results of another store. They actually use those keywords to improve their own content. And here's a ninja move for you guys. Always focus on long tail keywords. These keywords are a lot easier to rank for and the conversion rates are a lot higher. And then what you can do is you can use the content ideas feature to brainstorm blog topics that your competitors might actually be missing. In essence, it's like having a SEO consultant for free. Now, third on our list is SEO Power Suite. This one has been around for absolutely years, but it's still a great tool. And while it's primarily a paid tool, they do offer a free option as well. You can use it to analyze your competitors' on-page SEO elements, check for basic technical SEO issues on competitor sites, and even get ideas for improving your own site structure. Now, my favorite hack is to use the on-page SEO checker to optimize your most important pages. It's kind of like having an SEO expert point out quick win opportunities for your site, but you really must compare your performance against top competitors and watch your rankings climb. And number 4 on the list is SiteLiner, and this is an absolute gem of a tool. We use it to analyze our websites and also analyze the structure to make sure the structure is right of the website. So here's how you can leverage it. You can enter a competitor's domain to scan their site, identify duplicate content issues and broken links, and also analyze internal linking structure. And a pro tip, pay attention to the page power metric. This basically shows you which pages are most important in your competitor's site, and then you can use this insight to improve your own internal linking strategy. And just remember, a well-structured website is catnip for search engines. And then last but not least, we've got the Built With tool. I use this all of the time. Now, basically what this tool does, it allows you to analyze the technology stack of a competitor's website. So it allows you to see what apps they're actually using on their store. And here's why it's crucial. It allows you to identify e-commerce platforms and plugins they're using, discover which analytics and marketing tools they rely on, and also see which payment systems they've implemented on their website. And here's the golden nugget, guys. Use this data to find the pros and cons of the tools they're actually using. And you might actually find a tool that they're using which might be a gem of a tool if you started using it as well. If you're regularly doing this, you start finding different tools that your competitors are using that allows you to stay ahead. So you might be wondering who I am and who am I to start giving you this advice. My name's Des from the Ecom Corner. We've helped e-commerce store go from thousands to millions. I also run the free community called the Ecom Network, which is based on school.com. And in that community, we help entrepreneurs just like you either start or grow the e-commerce stores. Now, if this is something that interests you, I'd love to see you there. All right, so you're now armed with the best 5 free SEO tools, but it all depends on the person who's actually using them. And if you're excited but a little bit worried about using these tools to grow your store, or you just feel like you just want to give up and you've had enough, you really need to watch my next video. In my next video called Don't Quit E-commerce Until You Watch This, you'll discover how to turn SEO frustration into your secret weapon, leaving your competitors wondering what hit them. This video is a must if you're really struggling with SEO on your website, you're not getting any sales and you feel like giving up. You really need to watch this next video. My name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.